Hey guys, thanks for joining. So I'm going to show you how I distressed this solid cherry vanity. I'm just using a wire brush, going around a lot of the wood. This adds a lot of character and different depths of wood once you stain it. The jigsaw you can run backwards, so you're not using the sharp edge of the blade, but you're using the dull edge of the blade and kind of running it along the wood. Give it a try. It almost looks like sawmill marks on your wood. Now, a couple of times this actually bit into the wood because I was holding it wrong, but it's a rustic piece, so it worked out. Can't really see in the pictures, but it creates all these textured lines in the wood. Then I'm just doing a light burning that brings out the grain. What you don't see in the video is I use a vinegar and steel wool mixture, which darkens the wood and ages the wood. Then once that was dry, I used a early American Minwax stain and then 3 coats of polyacrylic. So it turned out really nice. Just need to make the drawer fronts and the doors, and this vanity is done. Thanks for watching.